Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to reset AirPods to factory setting. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to reset your AirPods or AirPods Pro to factory settings, you first need to unpair them from your device and then use the button on the charging case. First of all, simply unpair the AirPods and then reset AirPods using the case. Put both AirPods into their charging case and close the lid. Wait for 30 seconds. Open the lid of the case, press and hold the setup button on the back for 15 seconds, and then your reset will be complete when the light flashes white. Now you need to reconnect your AirPods. You need to forget it on your device that you are using to connect it and reconnect your AirPods. Once you reconnect your AirPods to the main device like iPhone, iPad or Mac, a setup animation will appear on the screen and you will be able to simply put your AirPod, reset it to the factory settings. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.